Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and happy November 1st. I am so ready for the holiday season. I think especially having a baby, I am just like so ready for the joy of Christmas, and we are officially in Christmas mode at the Robinson household. So I didn't upload a video yesterday because today I wanted to kind of share a different video with you guys. I want to share a couple things. One, an early start to my gift guides. So I've got some of my gift guides completely ready to go for you guys. I will share what they are. I will link them in the description bar. I also wanted to share kind of what you guys can expect from me this holiday season, content that I've got coming up, things you should be on the lookout for. And I wanted to just kind of update you on the different platforms that I am on so that you guys can just have the best and easy, most seamless shopping experience for your loved ones this year. So everything I am talking about is going to be linked in the description bar below for y'all to shop, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so first and foremost, the easiest way to shop, I'm going to be honest with you guys, it is through the Like to Know It app. My blog would probably be second because you're not going to have to like search through Instagram posts or YouTube videos or things like that, but the Like to Know It app is a free app. You literally just have to have an account, you have to put in your email address, you don't have to have any kind of subscription, and similar to Instagram, you just follow me on there. It will show when I post an outfit. So for instance, I will always post like in the description bar links to the stuff that I'm wearing, nail polish colors, like all that random stuff. But on Like to Know It, you'll see a picture of the outfit and it will have all of the links provided for you guys. They've actually created a feature this year where there is a gift guide at the top of every profile, and we can kind of create those gifts and add them as we see fit, and they're separated out based on categories. So I have currently like men's, women's, home, beauty, I think I have some accessories. So that is going to be an easy way. You just go to the Like to Know It app, you scroll through, see if I have a gift guide for a gift that you are looking for, click on it. It's so easy to shop that way. Now, of course, I will be linking everything to Instagram, but Instagram, while I do love it, it is one of my top favorite platforms as far as connecting with you guys. DMs are acting very weird lately. Last night, it was telling me I didn't have any new DMs. I clicked reload like 12 times, and finally, it loaded DMs from like 5 weeks ago. So there is a good chance that I may miss a DM accidentally. So you also don't want to have to like search through highlights. Again, I'm going to tell you guys, like, go back to that Like to Know It app. That's the easiest way to shop. I will be sharing things on Instagram stories. I will have them saved to my highlight tab in the holidays 2022 tab, or even in the November links highlight tab. And I will also try to share them on the community tab here, but again, you're just gonna have to like kind of scroll through links and individual things. So I'm just gonna keep telling you guys, like, go to the Like to Know It app. It's so easy. The third way is actually through my blog. I will link all of my gift guides there. Probably by the end of the week, I have a couple more that I want to finish first, but my blog is a really good home base. It's a place that you can kind of go back to. It's just MoriahRobinson.com, and I always have everything linked there for you guys so you can easily shop. I will continue to update my blog throughout the holiday season. And then finally, actually YouTube videos. So I wanted to just quickly put up a little excerpt right here to kind of show you guys some of the videos that I have coming over the next couple months. I have holiday content that I'm so excited to roll out. I will still be doing some fashion videos every now and then, but I really want to focus on just making it easy for you guys to shop. I know that it can be very stressful. I actually am an early shopper. I am almost like, I think we're like 95% done Christmas shopping, and it's honestly later that I would prefer to be shopping at all. We definitely are early shoppers here, and I just do that because I don't like the stress that comes with the holidays. I want to enjoy the holidays, and I want you guys to enjoy them too. So I try to make it as easy as possible to shop, whether it's here, my blog, Instagram, Like to Know It, you name it, and I will have that all linked in the description bar below. So I did just want to kind of talk through some of my gift guides really quickly. Now I'm going to be looking down for this. I have a couple different gift guides that I have already created, and first and foremost we'll go through beauty. I love beauty gifts. I think they're so good to give. The only problem is you do kind of have those like color problems. So like if you don't know someone's exact shade range, or like for me, I don't like orange undertones to any of my lip products. So if you were to get me a lip product that had like an orange undertone, I would be so grateful, but I would probably not wear it. So I do know that it can be a little iffy, so I tried to be very general in the beauty selections and get things that I really feel like would be good for everybody. So you've got this Tarte lip palette. I wear that makeup palette every single day on my eyes. It is stunning. This is the second one that I bought. I just feel like that is such a gorgeous palette, but they do have one that has more red undertones. Makeup all-nighter setting spray. You can never go wrong with that. A really good mascara. The Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip Cream and the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip. Those are both great lip products. I do prefer, especially for gift wise, the Maracuja like Juicy Lip, because that one, while the colors do matter, I feel like because it's a gloss, it's not as harsh as like a true color, but I love the lip cream in the color Mauve. It is gorgeous. Necessaire is a like cleaner body brand. You've got a body wash, body serum, and a lotion, and I have all of them, and they are really, really good. The Makeup by Moriah powder, I'm wearing that today. Hair clips, you really can't go wrong with beauty gifts, $50 and under. I do know that specifically, like, my dad has always loved to get my mom more expensive beauty gifts when he does buy them for her, so I wanted to link a couple things. A skincare fridge, Polish Choice liquid exfoliant is really, really good. The one thing about that Estee Lauder set, and I think their sets are so good, is a lot of those, I do believe, like the skincare, are minis, so they're not going to last you that long, and it is a fairly hefty price. Now, it's still under $100, but it does come with a lot of stuff to sample, which is really nice if you do want to get someone a beauty gift, but you don't really know what color to get or what kind. If you get them a sample, something that's smaller, a value kit, they can kind of try it before they decide if they want to buy it. I also included a couple retinols in there because I am almost done breastfeeding, and I will be using my retinols again. That Kiehl's one I used last year before I got pregnant, and I absolutely loved it. I swear it transformed my skin completely. And also the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing facial pads. Like, those are just so good for good skin. So lots of good ideas here for beauty under 100. I know that this is probably one that is very, very expensive. There is a lot of good things here though if you do choose to spend over $100. I've got some of my favorite new face devices, some of my favorite T3 products, but also I have the Dyson Airwrap and the Shark Flex Styler. I did a video on those last week, and I'm gonna be honest, I think a lot of people did not watch to the end because I was very shocked by how my hair looked, especially on the Shark side, and everyone was like, oh my god, I like the Shark side so much better, and I was like, tell me you did not watch the full video without telling me, because when I woke up the day after, I was shook. Lots of good beauty gifts for 100 plus, but I do know that that is kind of something that a little bit more specific. You have to like really be looking for something beauty-wise to spend that amount on, so I didn't have as many gifts there. Women, y'all, I got you. If you don't know what you want for Christmas, I got you. These are so many good things. All of my favorites, truthfully, or things that I have purchased myself. I have that Amazon coat. I wore this jacket yesterday. My Stanley, it's literally in the floor right here. I bought those Nike Airs. I love that Etsy belt bag. I'm currently wearing those earrings. Like, so many good gift ideas. If I could ask for one piece of a like fashion item for Christmas, hands down, without a doubt, Spanx filled leather leggings. I think I've had mine for like 4 or 5 years at this point. I want to say it was like 2019, I think it was 2019 when I bought them, and I know it was like February, March, because they were going on sale because it was about to be springtime and they weren't gonna be you know, wear them as much, and so I finally bought them and I got to wear them that fall, and I absolutely loved them so much that I actually bought the maternity version and I wore them all fall and winter long last year. They're such good maternity leggings, so if I had it my way, like, I would totally just ask for the Spanx leather leggings. I have that watch band on. Like, essentially, these are my favorites for gift idea. Men's gift guide. Sam actually really helps me with this one. I feel like men, I know it seems so impersonal and like just kind of boring. Either they're like rare and they like to buy themselves clothes, or they don't and they never buy themselves clothes. If my husband gets new clothes, it's because I buy them for him. He has been the same size since he was in like college, and so he has a lot of the same stuff. He takes care of his stuff. It lasts forever, and of course it's like a fraction of the price of women's stuff, but I do think clothes are a great option for guys. Also shoes. I find that shoes all guys really like, so I included some Nike Airs in there. Those boots that Sam actually loves, he is wearing them today. He has them in brown and black. My dad has them. My brother has a couple pairs. They're really, really nice boots. And also like a Stanley cup. You can't go wrong with a Stanley. Now, I did include an Apple Watch band, a bracelet, because I do know some guys like to wear bracelets, and at-home gym equipment. I don't really know about that one. I don't know how you could like effectively give someone gym equipment unless they ask for it, but I did want to include it. I personally think home gym equipment is like, especially if it's weights, is such a good gift because those things can be fairly expensive and they're really, really nice to have. I use our weight every single time I work out, and I work out 5 times a week. So I mean, I love the weight. And then also Apple AirPods. I think these are like the AirPod Pros. You can get the newest version, you can get an older version. Regardless, my husband and I tend to really like just wireless headphones. And I'll actually link them with this gift guide. Jabra makes some really good headphones. My husband straight up jacked my Jabra headphones. I was like, sir, I let you borrow them like one night because yours were dead. So charge yours because those are mine. And so I actually think I'm probably gonna get him some Jabra ones so he can give me mine back. And then lastly, just for right now, I do have the home gift ideas. The famous Anthropologie mirror. Now that one is like, it's a little bit expensive. This blanket is actually not a Barefoot Dreams. I am no longer sold. I love Barefoot Dreams, but I found this one from Sam's Club and it is made of 100% the same exact material and it's like 26 bucks. So it is a dream. It's the one I took to the hospital with me when I had Ezra. I love it so much. 10 out of 10 recommend that for a gift, especially if you don't really know what to get someone. Like, you can get that for your coworkers, you can get it for a gift swap. It's really nice. A really fancy wine opener, but I also included some Life in Lilac candles. They are non-toxic and they smell so good. They make your entire room just smell like a dream. And I actually have 2 of those diffuser and candle sets and they just smell so good. Like, when you have that diffuser in your room, is that what it's called? A diffuser? An oil diffuser, and then you also have the candle going, oh my gosh, it is just like heaven. Now, this is just the start of my gift guides. I do have some more gift ideas coming for you guys. I'll have custom gift ideas, I'll have some Etsy gift ideas, and I will have some for kids, but those I'm actually finding, specifically kids, are a lot harder because I only have a 6-month-old baby. He's almost 7 months old, so he doesn't really have interest in toys as far as like preferring one thing over another, but I will be rolling them out. Something I'm gonna do differently this year that I will have them linked on my blog, you know, I'll link them throughout my social media platforms and you guys will be able to find them easily, is I usually share one set of gift guides, and then throughout the holiday season I just more or less share gifts from Target, gifts from Walmart as I see deals pop up. But I'm going to do something completely different this year and I'm going to share multiple gift ideas for women, multiple gift ideas for your mother-in-law, and I'm gonna have like multiple sets of gift ideas so that if you see my women's gift ideas and you didn't like any of those, just in like a couple weeks you could always go back and you're gonna see a few more options for women's gift ideas. So I am not just gonna roll out one set this year, I'm gonna be rolling out multiple sets. Again, I just want to make sure it's super easy for you guys to shop this holiday season, and I really want to help you take the stress out of shopping and deciding what to get people for the holidays. I hope that this video helped you guys, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to go below and click the subscribe button if you are new here. Again, for all the holiday content, I'm so excited for it. Happy November 1st. I love you guys so much, and I hope that I see you in my next video.